Hello dear students, I am Ritesh Paul and this is the sixth video of solid state. In previous video we study about crystal lattice and unit cell. In this video we study about number of particles in a unit cell. So let's start with the first, primitive or simple. We know that in primitive or simple they have constant particles only in the corners. That means उसमें constant particles कहाँ present होगा? Only in the corners like this. The atom present in a corner is equally shared by 8 adjacent unit cells, 4 in the same level and 4 in the upper or lower level of a unit cell. Therefore, particular unit cell has only 1/8 part. Particular unit cell has only 1/8 part of a atom. So let's see. Contribution of per atom is 1/8 and number of particles is 8. Therefore, the number of particles in primitive or simple unit cell is 1. Let's see the next. Face centered. We know that in face centered the atoms are present on all the corner as well as the faces of the unit cell. So the contribution of corner is 1/8. The number of particle, this is the number of particle is 8, 1, and the contribution of phase, the atoms or constant particles present in a phase are equally shared by 2 adjacent unit cell. That means a particular unit cell has only 1/2 part of a atom. That means the particular unit cell has only 1/2 part of the atom, and number of phases are 1, 2, 3, 4. Just opposite, fifth in front, back, fifth in front, 6. Number of atom is 6. So total 3. Total number of atom is 4. So in face center unit cell the number of constant particles are 4. The in examination such type of questions are asked like atom A present, atom A present in a corner of the unit cell and B present of face on the unit cell. What will be the formula of unit cell? The formula of unit cell will be corners, contribution of corners 1 and face is 3. So what will be the formula of the compound? AB3. Let's see the next. Body centered. In body centered, the atom present are all the corners as well as the center of the unit cell. Atom present in center of the unit cell is totally belongs to the unit cell in which it is present. So contribution is 1 and number of atom is 1. So the number of constant particles in body centers is 1 and the corner contribution is 1/8 into 8 equal to 1. The total contribution is 1. So number of constant particles in body center is 2. And the last is end centered. We know that in end center the atoms are present all the corners and 2 opposite faces. So the contribution of corners is 1/8 into 8 equal to 1 and the contribution of faces, number of atoms only 2, 1, 2. So number of constant particles in end center is 2. So here a question, such type of question asked in a examination like if A is present, all the corners, A is present, all the corner, and B is present, and center of the unit cell, then what will be the formula of the compound? What will be the formula? Compound A is present all the corner. The contribution of corner is 1 upon 8 into 8, that is 1, and B is present end center. Contribution of end center is 1 upon 2, number of atom is 2, 1. So what will be the formula of the compound is AB. It is very important. It is very important concept of this topic. So this is for this video. See you soon in next video. Thank you.